All right, guys. Well, got the vacuum plates off. Thanks to Scotty. I know we're routing new hard lines, right?
We're gonna get new hard lines. Parking brake we gotta figure out because it's Willwood. So we gotta make it work.
Yeah.
So, but see, got those out. The old magic trick worked after fighting it a little while.
Scotty dealt with it.
See?
I undid the lines. I don't know what he did. He just walked over there and started taking it back apart. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna pop these seals out then.
How's that? You guys got the drive shaft out, I see.
Yep. Riley's been working on taking the bolts for the third member out.
Nice.
I think
see that gear.
She's gonna do the bottom ones, and we'll probably pop it. I told her just loosen the two side ones, so when we pop it, doesn't fall
on us.
I think it's your turn to have that in your lap.
I've had it in my lap. Yep.
Yep, got that one done. About to put the new seals in. As soon as I'm bet $5, the seal driver kit is probably still sitting on the metal workbench. Probably took it.
Yeah, probably.
Because he doesn't know how to put things back.
We're trying to get this oil pump price.
I don't know what that has to do with not putting tools back where they go.
Hey, guess what? I can't make my statement.
So, anyways, Miss Riley. Still working on the third member. Yeah. How's that going? I see Scotty got the drive shaft out. And what are you doing? You're about to get the bottom bolts out so then we can pop it and drain the fluid.
Yeah.
Just remember, you want that underneath it just in case, because you don't want that stuff on you. Yummy. Anyways, that's your guys' quick update. Yay!
Riley, are you working?
Sorta.
Don't tell your dad, but you're already faster than he is. He'll watch this video and beat me later, but that's okay.
That's okay.
By the time he sees it, I'll be gone. And
It's not domestic abuse if you guys don't live together.
what? What?
It's not domestic abuse if you guys don't live together.
He would be my wife.
Yeah, I know. You guys argue like it.
Yes. It's because I'm the pretty one.
Keep lying to yourself.
All right, Riley's getting these out, and then we're gonna pull this third member and see how jacked things are, or if we're lucky, a little brake clean and a back in she goes. But I think it'd be easier to do the arm bushings with no third member in it, because that's like 100 less pounds hanging over your head.
I don't know. I'm just doing what I was told to do.
That's a spirit. Xander's primer oil system. We should maybe throw that drill. Oh wait, no. You can leave it in there and just let it cool. I was gonna say put it in the freezer, but like we do with the laptop. But maybe. You know what? We gotta move the trailer today. Maybe I'll borrow Victor's forklift because it'll be easier than doing it with my truck. Look at me being smart and shit. Alright. Axle seals. Nick said the ones I ordered for this were wrong, and I was like, well, that's why we stock them for these rear ends. And we had the right ones on the shelf. They sent us ones for an 8-inch for this car. But tomato, it's a wash, doesn't really matter.